Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix flashing screen on Windows 10. If you want to fix it, we need to click on the left down corner on icon with a start, and we need to type here system configuration. Then we need to click right mouse button on it and select here run as administrator. Now we need to open services because we will need to uncheck some services here. We need to sort it by name, and then we need to scroll down and find here something like problem reports, control panel, support. We need to uncheck this service, and then we need to scroll down again and find here Windows error reporting service. We need to uncheck this option too, and then we need to click apply, and now we need to click OK. You will see here this one information. You may need to restart your computer to apply this change. Before restarting, save any open files and close all programs. I recommend you to restart your PC now, so I click here, and then I recommend you to click right mouse button on icon with a start and go to run. Here on open field we need to type control and click OK, and here control panel will be successfully displayed. We need to go to programs, then to programs and features, and we need to find here Microsoft Visual C++ with the year included on the name. Of course, name of the program may be different, and then you need to click uninstall button. After that, you will need to restart your PC and problem should be fixed. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.